In previous videos on the channel, you learned how to create a workflow in N8N to build your own personalized AI influencer all automatically. However, there's a much easier way to skip that entire process. Bring it to life, animate it, and create content with it, all while you're keeping your character appearance consistent. You can create your AI model, edit it, change the background, change the color of the clothes, the locations. In short, the possibilities are only in your mind. Let me introduce Influencer AI Studio, an amazing platform. Let's take a quick look and compare it with platforms like Midjourney or ChatGPT. Let's start with the cost. Something that I find incredible, especially if you would like to try the platform, is that you get 500 free credits when you verify your account. You need to add your card, but don't worry, no charge will be made. You can also buy credits starting from $10 to use as needed. They are valid for 12 months, or you can get a monthly subscription for recurring payments. Personally, I like the option of paying only for what I use to avoid surprises later. Now, let's talk about image generation. Right from the start, you have more than 50 usage options on this platform, all capable of creating high quality content from image to video. Let's review image generation first. Inside the site, you'll have three main windows. Your chat window, where you can generate images, videos, scale a photo, remove objects, change clothing, or train your own model to generate your AI double. This is like a quick way to create. The second window, for more advanced retouching, all your creation will appear here. You can generate images from a prompt, add reference images, include a product, train your model, add styles, and you can also choose between different generative models. Once your image is generated, you can edit it completely using AI, add elements, improve realism, adjust resolution, change the face, or select areas with a brush for more precise retouching. This is incredible, for example, to building visual concepts. But now, let's move on to the video generation. You can do it from a prompt, create a video from an initial image, create AI transitions between two videos, train your AI model, and access the best video generator available, such as Kling, Seedance, or Google's Veo 3. You can also add camera options, movements, and angles to create the exact shot in your mind. In addition to voice generators, this will allow you to convert text to voice, change voices, and the most fun part is an amazing effects generator. Let's face it, we've all struggled trying to find the right sound effects for our videos. You will definitely love this site. But the truly impressive part and the real potential of this site is creating AI influencers. As soon as you enter this section, you can choose between creating an influencer from a real image or building one from scratch. To create them from image, you only need to add reference photos. They can be yours or a mix of photos of people you would like your influencer to resemble. 5 to 10 photos are enough, and that's it. Creating your AI influencer from scratch allow you to fully customize it to your liking. Age, height, if you like them to be from, for example, a specific country, gender, body type, etc. Basically, if you can imagine it, you can make it happen. And this is how these two characters were born. You select the face you like or add your own and move to the next step. Select the photos you like or generate more. And that's it. This is how we brought the channel character to life. And also create April
Hi,
Hi,
subscribe to
subscribe
Minted
to
Wealth
Minted
channel.
Wealth
or AI
channel.
model. Would you like to see her performing the tutorials? Let me know in the comments. Just below, you have an option to generate images using your Create model. You can choose from all your creations to give them a new look or create impactful ads for your business, projects, etc. Every image here is editable. Once generated, you can edit it in the advanced sections to keep perfecting until you find the perfect style. This platform is called Influencer AI Studio. I will leave the link in the description. And tell me what you think about it and what you think about this new wave of AI influencers. Will you take advantage of it? And which tool would you use first in this application? See you in the next video. Until the next time.